My name's Anne Hardy. I work for Mid and East Antrim Borough Council. My area is around emergency planning and business continuity. Also on the training was Marvin Glasgow from our IT department. I think it's been really useful. I've got a great insight into the level of detail that our IT department needs to think about, and actually a better appreciation of that. I'm looking forward to sitting down now with Marvin and going through everything to make sure that all the plans and the business continuity plans that we have in place will actually kick in whenever, if unfortunately something does happen. But as you said at the beginning, we should be prepared to, in all likelihood, we will be attacked at some point. So yes, like the style of the training, and yes, looking forward to moving things along.